This Ujjayi Pranayama technique is practiced by contracting the glottis and breathing in through the nostrils. This Ujjayi Pranayama, we breathe in through the nose, but we contract the throat region, the glottis. You know the glottis, where you experience little sensation when you are doing coughing, etc. So we try to contract the glottis and we do this Ujjayi Pranayama. This Ujjayi Pranayama, when we are practicing Ujjayi Pranayama, we inhale as if we are inhaling through the throat instead of nose. Even though the breath is flowing through the nose, but we feel as if the breathing is happening from the throat. New yoga practitioners find difficult to contract the glottis, throat region. So if you can keep the tongue, the upper palate, and keep the tongue there, and when you do, it happens easily, effortlessly. After practicing some time, you can relax the tongue and then you can do it easily. So when you're practicing Ujjayi, you gently contract. Do not contract too tightly. It's a gentle effort. That gentle contraction helps you to do this technique very efficiently. When we are doing this contraction, our facial muscles should be relaxed. You should not tighten the facial muscles. The entire face in a relaxed state, you are only contracting throat region, not entire face. Always you must remember, when you are using Ujjayi, make sure that both inhalation and exhalation is very deep and long breaths. For the new beginner, the Ujjayi breathing, the breathing may be slightly disturbed, it may not be smooth, but over a period of practice, your Ujjayi breathing becomes smooth and steady flow. Initially, when you are attempting to do Ujjayi breathing, you may see some jerks, some shaking. It is not smooth, it will be like this. Like this. It's okay. Never give up. Attempt. The success sutra is try again and again. In 2 days, 3 days, you will be able to perform perfectly. It is so simple and powerful technique. And initially, you may make a lot of noise like this. So, initially when you make this noise, this sound is okay. Remember, many want to become perfect on the day one. Not possible. It takes some time for anything. Same thing this pranayama. Practice 2 days, 3 days, morning, evening, couple of times. You can do very effectively. Like this. When you practice, it becomes the very soothing sound, gentle noise comes like this, observe me.
So this breathing technique, the Ujjayi technique, is very powerful for people who are suffering mental disorders. Let it be stress, let it be anxiety, let it be depression, anything. You practice 10 to 15 minutes. The moment you finish the practice, you open eyes, you see, oh my God, what a peaceful. You will experience on the day one. You don't need to wait for weeks or months to practice. It enhances your lung capacity. In normal breathing never helps you to breathe deeply. If I am breathing normal breathing technique, it happens like this. It's like shallow breathing, 50%, maybe I'm feeling 50% of my lung capacity. But when I use Ujjayi, when I contract throat, I have an opportunity to breathe fully. I can fill my lungs 100% like this. Another beauty of this pranayama is your energy levels increases drastically. The reason is you are taking more oxygen. Not only that, you are utilizing the full capacity of your lungs. Not only that, a person who breathes deeply, he flushes out toxins also. It has multifold benefits. It has lot of benefits. People who want to practice meditation, they struggle. But people who want to meditate, if they can do this Ujjayi breathing technique for a couple of minutes before they step into meditation, the meditation process becomes very easy. Namaste.